I'm about to break your limit. Welcome to Break the Limit. I'm for Chris-Salaam. I am so thrilled and excited to see you again today. Like I showed us in the last episodes, we're going to be releasing 3 videos each week on Mondays, on Wednesdays, and on Fridays. Expect full-length video, short clip, in-depth interview as we continue to push the boundary together. Once again, to all our long-time supporters, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your dedication means the world to us. And to our new subscribers and followers, you are welcome. Welcome to the family. We are thrilled to have you on board. Please like, comment, share our video, and help us spread the message. In this episode, we are going to be diving into my new book with the same title, Break the Limit, available now on Amazon. Specifically, we're going to be breaking down chapter 7, which is titled Redeeming the Time and Time Discipline, into bite sizes. For each segment, we're going to break them into bite sizes for easy understanding and practical application. For today's topic, our title is Time in Biblical and Scientific Context. Our main idea, or main point: Bible and science offer different perspective on time. Understanding both can help us respect and use time effectively. Our key takeaway for today, we have several key takeaway for today. Science see time as a product of the Big Bang, while Scripture teaches us that God created the earth. God is the one that created time. Genesis 1 verse 1, Genesis 1 verse 14 and 15. So in the beginning, verse 1, so in the beginning God created the heaven on the earth. 14 and 15, God said, let there be light in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night. Let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and for years. Let them be for light in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth. And it was so. Let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. That speaks of time. You cannot tell what day or night it is without the celestial body, the sun, the moon, the stars, etc. Regardless of your belief, time is essential factor. It's an essential factor in our human existence. You can't do without it. Now, a practical application for today: reflect on how your worldview affect or shape your approach to time. Reflect on how your worldview shape or affect your approach to time. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And see you in the next one. Next one titled The Creation of Time.